Okay, first I'm just gonna check this. Okay. Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. I was initially gonna do a video on this calculator, but there's nothing really special about it. Nothing really special about this either, but I'm trying to make content but I'm trying to wait until I'm trying to hold off from spending any money on my for the creation of my content. And today you're probably wondering what this machine is. This is a rather vintage PT-1890 and label making machine, and I've had this thing for a few years. In fact, I've had this thing since I got this thing for Christmas in 2018, alongside quite a few of the other things that ended up resulting in this channel being started, such as my old custom computer and that iPad. Now, this is a label making machine, and it is portable. It requires It requires 6 batteries. It requires 6 1.5 volt AA batteries, and it's actually, and I can pick it up. It's pretty obvious since it's portable, and it's used to make labels. Now, if you don't know how these things work, they pretty much use these tapes, which look like you could put and they are not VHS tapes. Well, obviously not, otherwise this thing would be very big. And yeah, I first want to make sure this power's on. Okay, so it does. I'm pretty sure I'll have to use this thing to make that label. I don't remember how long that was. So yeah, there's a full keyboard, a feed/print, a preview, ESC, okay, FN, front 1, front 2 arrow buttons, symbol A/F accent, and there's also this, which you can use to get into that soon. Pretty sure it shows the font, info, little ink, margin, tab length, and print option, language unit, clear, size, width. So I'm pretty sure this thing probably can save settings. Now, I don't really know what to type in this thing, so I'm just gonna put Windows. Oh wait, it's not just stuck to caps lock. In terms of symbol, we have all sorts of different symbols that are offered, arrow keys, those thingies, some Greek letters, those things, and yeah. So second font is Bohemia. First font is Helsinki. Yeah, Helsinki. Preview gives you that. And now let's hope that this tape isn't messed up. But yeah, print. That button cuts the thing so you can use it. Not really sure where I put this label, but you can peel those off, and yeah. I mean, I could put this on my school computer if I wanted to, on the inside of my school computer, where you probably find a sticker for the version of the operating system. If I wanted to be an absolute, if I was insane, but I wouldn't do that because of the fact that the school computer, that there's tons of rules about the school computer. And I don't want to break those rules because I've already broken the no installing any software rule on accident in the worst way possible. But yeah, let's go. That's H, font Q, print. So this is the Helsinki font, and this is the Bohemia font. Yeah, now in order to swap the tapes, which I have more tapes, I need to go get my laptop bag, which is full of these things. Where do I put this? Right here for now. But yeah, we're just gonna swap out the tape. So yeah, this is an 18mm. This is a 12mm. This is or also for it also shows a 0.7 inch. This is a 0.47 inch. This is a TZE tape, but this is a AZE tape. But it doesn't really matter for me. I'm not sure if that's a good thing or not. Start it up. Now, yeah, there's a backspace button, and you can enter. Yeah, there's also a line limit. So yeah, we'll see if this works. Doesn't sound like it works. Yeah, it doesn't. Oh well, at least. I got something. Oh, stuck in there for a long time, but yeah, it didn't end up turning out the best for the AZE tape, because I'm pretty sure this wasn't designed for the AZE tape. I don't know anything about these machines, or I don't know much about these machines. I'll probably look it up and have Steel64 tell you anything that I forgot about to say about this machine. But yeah, that is the Brother P-Touch PT-1890. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I'll be doing some more software videos over the next few weeks. I'll see you next week. Bye.